Hey Bobcats, we are so happy you registered for our virtual reunion. Let's get you started with a general overview of our reunion platform. Once you've logged in, accepted terms and conditions, and added your topics of interests, you will land right here on this homepage. These tiles on the right side will feature various items throughout the month. If you'd like to add or remove any topics of interest that you set right at the beginning, you can always do so by navigating to your profile photo, selecting interests, adding any new ones, or simply removing them. Now, if you'd like to edit your profile, head to the edit button on the right side of this pop-up window, make any changes you'd like, or add your title, company, social media links, pronouns, or even your favorite campus spot or favorite class. At the top right is where you'll find all of our notifications. This is where you'll also be able to contact event support at any time should you have event-related questions, for example, about the curriculum or the content. We will also have a Bobcat Concierge feature the week of reunion for any additional assistance. Should you have any non-event specific questions, such as how to use Cadence, which is this event platform, feel free to contact technical support at any time. Now on the left-hand side, you'll find the menu, which you can expand. As we get closer to the reunion, more menu items will appear so that you can access class lounges, social feeds, and more fun stuff. For now, you can check out our schedule as well as our speakers. Let's start with schedule. You'll see two options, My Schedule and Full Schedule. Full Schedule essentially has all of these sessions that will be happening the entire week from June 7th all the way to June 12th. You can even do a refined search by date, time, or even topics or tracks. For example, let's say I'd like to find a session that has to do with wellness and that is family oriented. Great, I can see there's laughter yoga on Thursday and Be Well Bootcamp on Friday. Let's say I'm interested in laughter yoga, so I'm gonna add it to my schedule. Now, if I head to my schedule, I will find essentially my personalized agenda for the week. Any and all sessions or schedule item that I've added to my schedule will appear right here. If you want to add all of these sessions to your Google Calendar or your Microsoft Outlook calendar, you can always click the subscribe button on the top right and then select the calendar that you want to add them to. Now, if you head to speakers, you'll be able to browse through all of our wonderful speakers for the week. You can click on any of them to access their bio, even different links like their websites, and even see the specific schedule item or session that they will be speaking at. And that's it for now. More fun features will be released in the coming weeks, so stay tuned for those updates and any additional instructional videos. Thanks!